Hello children, welcome back to today's online class. Today we are having English and Maths class. In English class, we are going to learn family of ed and n words, and then we are going to do our worksheet. Come children, let us start the class. Come children, we shall learn capital letter A to Z. Say together along with ma'am children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Practice to write and read these letters at home children. Hello children, now we are going to learn family words. Okay, now do you know what sound is this? A. What sound is this? D. Now shall we say it together? A, D, ed. Ed. So now we are going to learn the family of ed words. Family of ed words. Say it together children. B, ed, bed. F, ed, fed. L, ed, led. R, ed, red. W, ed, wed. Bed, fed, led, read and wed. Now, do you know what sound is this? Yes, ye. What sound is this? N. Ye, n. Can you say it together? Yes, yen. Yen. Now, we are going to read the n family words. D, n, den. H, n, hen. M, n, men. P, n, pen. T, n, ten. Den, hen, men, pen and ten. Children, this is your English worksheet number 4. Write your name, class and date. Roman letter 1, write the dictation words. Write the dictation words. Number 6, C, A, V, E, cave. So, write the word C. Don't touch the capital letter, write the small letter A. A, V, E, cave. Number 7, V, A, S, E, was. Capital letter V, V, A, S, E, was. Number 8, head. H, E, A, D, head. Write capital letter H and without touching letter H, write E, A, D, head. H, E, A, D, head. Number 9, D, U, C, K, duck. write capital letter D. Without touching D, write U. U C K, duck. D U C K, duck. Now number 10, banana. B A N A N A, banana. Write B A N A N A, banana. Take a next page, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks with this or that. Fill in the blanks with this or that. Number 1, dash is a car. See children, where is the car? Is this car near or far? Yes, the car is near. So, what you have to write here? This. This is a car. This is a car. So, write the word this. T H I S, this. This is a car. Okay, the remaining we will do in the Zoom class. Roman letter 3, read the heading, write A, capital letter A to Z. So, now we are going to write capital letter A to Z here. Okay. A, B, C, D. Then leave a line and write E. You have to keep 2 finger gap after writing each letter. 2 finger gap. F. Then 2 finger gap. G, 2 finger gap. H. Leave a line and write letter I. 2 finger gap. J, K, L, then leave a line and write the letter M. 2 finger gap. N, O. The remaining exercise we will do in the Zoom class, children. In maths class, we are going to learn about ordering numbers, group and count, and then we are going to learn the numbers from 41 to 50, and then we are going to do our worksheet. Come children, let us start the class. Now we are going to learn how to order the numbers. Shall we read the numbers, children? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, some numbers are missing in this row, children. Shall we find out which number is missing? Yeah, yes. Shall we say the numbers? 11, 12. Which number is missing here? Yes, correct. 13. So, I am going to keep the card 13 here. Now, 13, 14. Do you know which number will come after 14? Yes, correct. 15. Okay, now 15, 16. Which number will come after 16? Yes, correct. 17. Okay, after 17, 18, 19. Which number will come after 19, children? Yes, it's a last number. Can you say? Yes, it's 20. Here we have 20. Now read the heading, children. Ordering numbers. Ordering numbers. Shall we say the numbers? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we are going to do this exercise. Look at the number line given above. Look at the number line given above. Write the numbers that come before and after these numbers. Write the numbers that come before and after these numbers. One has been done for you. This exercise has been done for you, children. Now we are going to do this exercise. So we have to find out which number will come before 15 and which number will come after 15. So see this number line, children. Okay, here we have number 15. Okay, can you say which number will come before 15? Yes, it is 14. So write the number 14. Okay, now tell me which number will come after 15. Okay, shall we use a number line? Yes. So here is 15. So after 15 we have 16. So write the number 16. Likewise, we will do this exercise. Now, shall we read the next heading? Write the numbers that come in between these numbers. Write the numbers that come in between these numbers. Now we have to find out the between numbers. So here they gave 12, number 12 and 14. Now shall we use this number line? Yes, we can use this number line. So here we have 12 and here we have 14. Okay, now what is the answer? 13, 12, 13, 14. So we have to write the number 13 over here. So we will do this exercise in our Zoom class, children. Children, read the heading group and count. Already the previous class itself we learned about the topic grouping and grouping in tens. Now we are going to do group and count. Come, let us do this exercise. Shall we read the heading, children? Circle groups of 10 and count how many are there. Circle groups of tens and count how many are there. One has been done for you. One has been done for you. Now they have given an object here. Now we are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have 10 pots. So we have to draw a circle over here and then one left. So 10 and then 10 after 11. So write the number 11. Now next one. Now group the 10 ants using the circle. Draw a circle like this. So here we have 10 ants. 10 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write the number 14 here. The same way, now we are going to group the 10 leaves. Group the 10 leaves first. Now we have 10 leaves here. Okay, say the number after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So write the number 15. The same way we will do this exercise in our Zoom class. Come children, we shall learn the numbers from 41 to 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Children, this is your maths worksheet number 4. So write your name, class, section and write the date. Roman letter 1, write the missing numbers. Some numbers are missing here, so we have to write the numbers. 1, 2, which number is missing here? Yes, number 3, write number 3. And then 4, write number 4. And then 5 is given here, 6 is also given. And then which what number will come after 6? 7. And then what will come after 7? 8. What number will come after 8? 9. Very good children. So the next one is Roman letter 2, count and match. Now we are going to count the pictures given here and then we are going to match with the numbers given by this side. Okay. Now number 1, count the pictures children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many trees are there? 11 trees. Where is number 11 here? Is this number 11? No. Is this number 11? Yes. So match with the number 11. Next one. Count the balloons children. How many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balloons. Where is number 6 over here? Is this number 6? No. Is this number 6? Yes. So match with number 6. Now count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cups are here? 10 cups. So where is number 10? Is this number 10? Yes. So match with number 10. Now count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls are here? 8 balls. So where is number 8? Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes. So match with number 8. Now count the pencils children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have 12 pencils. This is number 12. So match with number 12. Roman letter 3, write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Now we are going to write the missing numbers. What is the first number? Number 11. What is this? Number 12. Can you tell me which number will come after 12? Yes, 13. So write the number 13. Which number will come after 13? 14. Very good. Write number 14. And then what number will come after 14? 15. 15 after 16. 16 after 17. 17 after 18. 18 after 19. And then the last number is 20. So, we are going to the next heading, Roman letter 4. Write the numbers from 41 to 50. So, here they are given the numbers 41 to 50. Leave a box and write the numbers. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. The remaining we will do in the Zoom class, children. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed today's class, children. We will meet you in the next class. Bye, children. Take care.